Hey everyone, it's me, Lindsay from The Lindsay Life. I'm having just kind of a relaxing day at home, and I'm having a cup of hot tea, and I'm going to chill out with a stick together kit. Stick together kits, if you haven't heard of them, are kind of a mosaic color by number jigsaw puzzle type of combination. Stick Together provided this kit of Van Gogh's Starry Night, so I could show you how it works in this video. And basically, when I open up this package for my Stick Together kit, I'm gonna pull it out. I've got the cover image, which shows me what my poster is gonna look like when it's completed and done. This one is the poster size, which is 40 inches by 36 inches. I've got a color key for the stickers I'm gonna stick onto the grid, and that's gonna fly everywhere. I've got all these sheets of stickers to use in the different colors I need. And I've got the actual grid board that I'm gonna build my beautiful poster onto. So I'm gonna open this up, and why don't you come join me and we'll work on this together, and I can tell you a little bit more about it. So this is basically what a Stick Together poster looks like before it's been completed. It's just a grid of letters, and I'm going to use my key to tell me what color sticker to put in what section to make this cool poster. So I see the dark blue is the letter E. So everywhere there's the letter E, I'm going to put a dark blue sticker. So, you know, I saw this at one of the booths at Creativation, which is a really large craft trade show. And they had a big one up on an easel that they were letting people work on, and you just came along and you put a sticker up, and as people worked on it, we were gradually able to see what the picture was becoming. So I used to do jigsaw puzzles because I found them relaxing, and I kind of stopped because, well, for several different reasons. My first problem was we used the dining room table every Friday and Saturday. So I felt like I didn't really have a space to keep a big jigsaw puzzle out to work on. I'm gonna change to say the letter A, that's black, so we can do some of the black. And technically you're supposed to be able to move jigsaw puzzles, but that never really worked well for me. You know, we tried sliding it on poster board and moving it around, and right now my daughter's 100-piece solar system jigsaw puzzle is just a giant mess scattered all over the basement floor because that didn't work. So I really like this kit because, say, midweek I decide, hey, I need to, you know, use the table for something else, I can just fold it up, put it back in the package, and it's really easy to kind of store, put away, and bring back out. I don't feel like there's that rush to finish it because I need the table space. The other nice thing about the Stick Together kits is if you have a family with a wide age range of kids, this is a really good idea for something that the family can do together, because oftentimes, you know, when you're trying to find an activity, it'll work great for the older kids or it'll work great for the younger kids, but it doesn't work for everyone. And this is something that my, you know, 14-year-old and my 12-year-old think is cool. But if we had like a little 4-year-old or 5-year-old here, they're totally capable of putting the brown sticker on the letter B. So it's something you can really do as a family with anyone. My other problem that I had with jigsaw puzzles was whatever puzzle we did, my kids wanted to hang up, which you wouldn't think would be a problem, but it takes a lot of work to get a finished jigsaw puzzle from the table onto the wall. So you either have to get glue and like apply it and then wait 24 hours for the glue to set, or you have to get these like special sticky sheets to adhere to the back, which requires you to flip the whole puzzle. And it became this really involved issue. So I didn't like it, you know, and I ended up not doing it. So with this, it's a poster. And basically, as soon as we're done with this poster, my daughter is going to be able to take it straight off the table and pin it up in her room, where I let her pin things up with thumbtacks. And yeah, basically we're just building this picture with these tiny little tile sticker mosaics. And when we're done, you're gonna see it's gonna look like the picture of Starry Night. One of the things that they actually recommend, the Stick Together people, if you're doing this for like a party or a group, is don't let people see the cover design of the package. Just like lay it out and explain to them how to use the color key and how to stick on the pieces. And it's kind of a mystery as the puzzle or the Stick Together puzzle gets filled in as to what the picture is. And I think that's just kind of a really cool, fun thing you could do. I was actually a little sad that we didn't find this until after we had already had my daughter's birthday party for the year, because I totally could have gotten one of these for the activity and just let them have at it, and they would have had a blast. And at the end, my daughter would have had a beautiful poster to hang in her room to commemorate her birthday party. So yeah, this is totally relaxing. This is like when they talk about having like Zen-like meditative activities, this is something I can just sit and chill and do. And it works great because it can be a family activity, or it can be something that, you know, if you just need some me time and you just want to pick up your cup of tea or maybe a mocha and sit and stick the little stickers where they go. And I'm totally like not worrying about lining them up 100% correct. The awesome thing about the Stick Together stickers is they actually give you more than you need. So with puzzles, you know, that one piece like slips under the sofa and suddenly like it's complete panic. Because if you don't have that one piece, the puzzle is ruined and never going to be complete. But with Stick Together, you don't have to worry about that because they give you enough stickers so that if one gets lost, it's okay. And you're still going to have your pretty picture to do at the end. The Stick Together kits come in 2 different sizes. So this is one size and there's a second size, so you can kind of choose what size poster you want to tackle and what size poster is good for whatever function, like whether you're just chilling at home or whether you're turning this into a birthday party activity. And they even give you good guidelines on their website about how long it would take a group of people to complete a poster. So you don't have to worry about, well, you know, will this be done in time or will we be able to complete it? So yeah, you can see it's starting to build here. And this is just very chill, very relaxing. I could totally picture listening to some jazz music in the background and relaxing while I do my different colors. So I love doing this. I think the Stick Together kits are really a fun idea, whether you want to do it on your own or with the whole family. If you go to my website, thelindsayllife.com, I've got a link to the Stick Together kits, and a whole list of why I love them and why I think you might love them too. So I'm going to continue working on this and have a good day and a good restful afternoon. And if you want to see more cool stuff that I come across, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my website. See you next time.